Meme coin madness is back, and we're talking about Pepe, which recently has just surpassed a market cap of $5 billion. However, yes, we've broken out, but is this the right time to buy, seeing that Bitcoin has now broken out against its 200-day moving average? We're going to be covering the narrative of the altcoin market, which of course is very bullish for meme coins. And we're going to be talking about how far Pepe can actually go in terms of price prediction over the coming few months and to the rest of this year. We'll be covering the lower time frame as well if you're watching this within 24-48 hours of posting. Anyway, guys, hit the like. Do have the bell turned on so you don't miss future content, and let's talk about this. So you can see Pepe, yes, up 25% in the last 24 hours. In the last week, it is up as well, nearly 19%. We've had a big pump in the market, and there is a narrative switch that you can see is demonstrated by Bitcoin, which is basically with liquidity. There's more liquidity coming into the market. Interest rates are due to be cut in September, and the markets have responded bullishly to that. Now, in terms of Pepe, in terms of where it's currently trading at $5 billion market cap, it's in between Uniswap and Matic, similar market caps. The biggest meme coin right now is still Dogecoin, which has a market cap of nearly $18 billion. So if we were to come up to that level, even without Doge moving up, it's over a 3x. Let's take a look at the chart to see if that kind of corresponds with the technicals. By the way, if you do want to buy or trade Pepe, you can. I've got links in the description below for Bybit. And actually, there's a free $500 airdrop, and you can use that for Pepe in the link in the description. No KYC trading, you can do that on Blowfin, again, link below, and you can trade futures, Pepe, spot, whatever you like. Let's talk about the chart here. And the first thing I will draw your attention to on this 12-hour chart is we have had a breakout. And this breakout's quite significant because it's part of a bigger move. There is some resistance. We do need to take caution before we take any larger position, but it's potentially worth having a nibble here for good risk to reward ratio. But let's zoom out before we get into the details, where you can see that the support line and the most important support line for me is at this level here. Obviously, there's a lot of zeros when you're talking about a meme coin, so I'm just going to ignore those and talk about 10.55. That is the support level, and in terms of percentage beneath us right now, you're talking about just 12% beneath us. We've broken that key level, and I want to see that level hold at least on a 4-hour candle should we come and retest it. But also, what typically happens when you have a breakout of a downward channel like this is you will have what's known as kind of a return to the scene of the crime. So I am expecting a retouch of 11.46. If that was to happen, it kind of would make sense in terms of the moving averages. You can see we have quite a clearly defined 50-day moving average at that level as well, at 11.76. So don't be concerned if you do see a little move to the downside between 3 and 5%. That's to be expected with, you know, a coin of this volatility. I wouldn't get concerned over that. Obviously, if we do lose that level, do expect down to 10.50 and see if that level holds. If it holds, it really is a bullish sign. If you look by zooming out here, I'll go into the 3-day chart. You can see that we are seeing a bigger move in play, which is this bull flag. So a bull flag is measured from where the move started. So you can see down back here in April to the top, we had a huge move, 327%. If this breakout continues, what you can do is actually extrapolate that move, and you can do it from the breakout point, and you can see that the Pepe price prediction could give us another 3x opportunity, taking us up to around 5.085, which would be in line with the Doge price at the moment, or the Doge market cap. But bear in mind that should move up as well. And it's not just about Pepe. There's some other coins you should pay very close attention to right now. When this market moves, when meme coins move, you got to pay attention to FLOKI, to 𝗕𝗫𝗖𝗎, to 𝗕𝗵. That's also been doing very, very well. And all of these coins, if you want to buy them, hold them, or trade them, Bybit, you can do that and get a free $500 airdrop. Guys, I also suggest to check out these videos my altcoins that I'm buying in July, and my Blow Fin for Beginners tutorial. See you on the next one. Have the bell turned on, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.